Okay guys, so good morning. So I have a good news for you guys. If you want to make your HDTV a smart TV,
Perfect.
You can use Chromecast. Actually guys, hindi ko na siya nagamit. Kasama ito sa plan ko sa Globe. But I just realized na pwede pala siya magamit to turn your TV, your manual TV na may HDMI port to a smart TV. So this is the Chromecast. So yan. So na-connect na natin ito sa power supply. May power supply siya. So i-connect lang natin ito sa TV natin, sa HDTV natin. Then we can watch YouTube videos on our PC and then cast it on our device. Meaning to say, you don't need to have a wire from your laptop to your TV or from your mobile phone as well. You can connect, you can watch videos, ED videos guys, and you can cast it to your TV. So making your TV as a smart TV. Okay, so i-connect lang natin to. Pause ko muna yung video, then we will continue. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano. Yan guys, so na-connect na siya natin. So currently naka-ano na siya. Pag-connect mo, yan na siya kaagad. Na-set up ko na siya eh. So yan na, lumabas na siya. Pero pag hindi pa siya na-set up, you need to download a Google Home na app. So pakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano. Okay? So ang gawin niyo lang is pupunta kayo sa Play Store, then search niyo lang yung Google Home. Okay, yan, Google Home app or Google Home, then download niyo yan. Pag na-download niyo na siya, you open it. So once you have successfully set up your Google Home app, yan, pag na-add mo na siya guys, you just click customize screen. Yan. At yun na guys, lalabas na sa TV. So it will mimic your phone sa TV. So whatever you're doing now sa phone mo, lalabas na yan sa TV mo. Okay, so ngayon guys, na-cast ko na so yung screen ko. So whatever I'm doing now sa mobile phone ko, yun na yun nung lumalabas sa TV ko. Later on, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano naman sa PC. So wala, ang ginagamit nyo lang guys na technology is yung Wi-Fi. So nakakonect yung Chromecast natin sa Wi-Fi, yung phone natin na sa Wi-Fi. So if you want to watch a movie from your phone and then i-cast mo sa TV mo, pwede mo siyang gawin. Pwede din sa PC. So pakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano mag-control. Okay guys, so good morning once again. So this is how you play a video guys PC mo, diba? Normally dito ka tumitingin ng video. So ngayon, since we have the Chromecast, all you need to do is to click this guys. So yan. Once you click it, yan,
You dream of.
so magpe-play ngayon yan sa TV. Yan. So ngayon, yan. So it's playing on TV. O, tingnan natin. So yan, naka-play na siya. Okay? So, we'll check kung movie naman ito. Kung movie naman, so ngayon guys, yan, it's playing na. Okay? Okay, so ngayon it's playing na, yan. Okay. So enlarge mo lang natin to. Yan. So ngayon, it's making your manual TV na hindi smart TV as a smart TV na because of Chromecast device. So that's how good it is guys. You can buy a smart Chromecast device sa Shopee as well. Ito yung sa akin, is kasama na ito sa globe na ano ko, na plan ko. So maganda siya guys. To avoid any wireless or any wire coming from your PC na to your TV because of the Chromecast device. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.